Hey everybody, I thought it would be cool to make a quick tutorial on creating a shortcut for your Blackboard Collaborate session within Chrome. For two reasons. One, it's probably be very useful, and two, I kind of wanted to see if I could make a tutorial like this. And if you all enjoy it, like it, just let me know, and I will gladly make more. Just have to shoot me an email and let me know what it is you'd like to see. So let's get started. What I have here is our email that we got from Blackboard Collaborate, and I'm going to first copy by right-clicking my link, copy that link address. So this is the link that I would use to open up the session or join the session as a moderator. Next, I'm going to click to create a new tab, and then right here is where I'm going to add my shortcut. We're going to call this BB Collaborate, and then you can either Control V to paste, or you can right click and paste the link that we copied earlier, and boom, there we have there we have my shortcut. Now, any of these shortcuts you can click and drag. I probably am going to be using this one fairly often over the next few months, so I'm going to put it up at the top here. So we'll do a quick demonstration of what this allows me to do. Now, as long as I'm in Google Chrome, anytime I open a tab, that link's going to show up. Click it, and we're in. And it looks like I have a student in here. We're going to go ahead and remove them and leave the session. So I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. Again, if there's any more that you'd like to know, anything else you'd like to know how to do, or any other tutorials, I have a few in mind that I might make videos for. But just shoot me a quick email and I'll be happy to make them. Take it easy.